Have you ever wondered, what if one of the biggest threats to your health isn't something you can see? Not pain, not fatigue, not even weight gain, but damage happening deep inside your cells every single day. Every breath you take, every processed meal, every night of poor sleep, every moment of chronic stress can slowly damage your DNA. And when DNA becomes damaged, your body may struggle to repair itself efficiently. That can affect your energy, your heart, your brain, your muscles, your immune system, even the way your cells age. Here's the good news. Your body was designed to repair. Every second, millions of cells are being replaced. Old cells die, new cells are born. Your body is constantly trying to protect you. The question is, are you giving it the right tools? Today I'm going to show you 2 incredible spices that science has studied for their ability to support healthy cells, reduce inflammation, and help your body's natural defense systems work at their best. These aren't miracle cures. They're not magic powders, but they are natural foods with fascinating compounds that researchers continue to study. And one of them is probably already sitting in your kitchen. So before you spend money on expensive supplements, before you search for another secret health hack, stay with me. Because what you learn today could completely change how you look at your everyday food. Let's begin. Why DNA matters. Think of your DNA as the instruction manual for your life. Every cell in your body carries this manual. Your heart depends on it. Your brain depends on it. Your blood depends on it. Your arteries depend on it. Even your muscles and nerves rely on healthy DNA to function normally. But DNA isn't invincible. Every day it's attacked by something called oxidative stress. Imagine tiny sparks flying around inside your body. These sparks are called free radicals. Too many of them, and they begin damaging healthy cells. They affect proteins. They affect fats. They even affect DNA itself. Now here's something important. Your body already has an amazing repair team. Special enzymes patrol your cells. They look for mistakes. They fix damaged DNA. They help maintain healthy function, but here's the problem. If inflammation becomes chronic, if blood sugar stays high, if you're constantly exposed to smoking, pollution, poor sleep, and unhealthy food, that repair system can become overwhelmed. That's why scientists are interested in foods rich in protective plant compounds, because these foods may support the body's own natural defenses, not replace them. Support them, and that's where today's 2 spices enter the picture. Spice #1, turmeric. Let's begin with one of the most researched spices on earth. Turmeric. Its bright golden color comes from a natural compound called curcumin. Researchers have studied curcumin for years because it appears to interact with many pathways involved in inflammation and oxidative stress. Why does that matter? Because chronic inflammation is connected with many health conditions: heart disease, type 2 diabetes, certain cancers, joint problems, brain aging. Scientists have found that curcumin may help support the body's antioxidant defenses. Think of antioxidants as firefighters. They help neutralize those damaging free radicals before they can harm healthy cells. Some laboratory studies also suggest curcumin may influence proteins involved in DNA repair and healthy cell signaling. Researchers are continuing to explore these effects, especially in cancer biology, though this should not be interpreted as a treatment for cancer. That research is exciting, but it's still developing. Now here's another interesting fact. Turmeric also appears to support healthy blood vessel function. Healthy circulation means oxygen and nutrients can reach tissues more efficiently. Remember, every cell depends on oxygen. Every cell depends on nutrients. Without good circulation, repair becomes much harder. One common mistake? People sprinkle a tiny amount of turmeric on food and expect dramatic results. Consistency matters. Eating turmeric regularly as part of an overall healthy diet is likely more beneficial than using large amounts occasionally. And many people pair turmeric with black pepper in cooking because black pepper contains piperine, which can increase the absorption of curcumin. Spice, cinnamon. Now let's talk about another everyday spice, cinnamon. Most people think of cinnamon as something you sprinkle on oatmeal, but there's much more to it. Scientists have studied cinnamon for its effects on blood sugar. Why is that important? Because chronically high blood sugar can increase oxidative stress and inflammation. Over time, that may contribute to damage throughout the body. Healthy blood vessels, healthy nerves, healthy kidneys, healthy eyes, healthy heart, Some studies suggest cinnamon may help support healthy blood sugar levels in certain people when used as part of a balanced diet. Researchers are still studying the exact mechanisms. By supporting healthy glucose metabolism, cinnamon may indirectly help reduce some of the stress placed on cells. It also contains natural polyphenols. These compounds have antioxidant properties. Again, think of them as another layer of protection. Not magic. Protection. And here's something fascinating. Your body doesn't care whether healthy compounds come from expensive supplements or simple everyday spices. Nature has packed incredible chemistry into ordinary foods. Practical tips. So how do you actually use these spices? Here are simple habits. Tip number 1. Add turmeric to soups, vegetables, rice, egg dishes, or smoothies. Tip number 2. Use cinnamon on oatmeal, Greek yogurt, fresh fruit, or whole grain toast with nut butter. Tip number 3. Combine these spices with a diet rich in colorful vegetables, berries, beans, healthy fats, fish, whole grains, because no single food works alone. Health is built by habits. Tip number 4. Move your body every day. Exercise increases circulation, improves oxygen delivery, supports your heart, supports your brain, supports healthy aging. Tip number 5. Prioritize sleep. Many of the body's repair processes become more active during sleep. Without enough rest, repair slows down. Tip number 6. Avoid smoking. Limit ultra-processed foods. Manage stress. These habits reduce unnecessary inflammation and help your body's natural defenses function more effectively. Remember, health isn't built overnight. It's built one meal, one walk, one good decision at a time. Motivational ending. Here's the message I want you to remember. Your body is not your enemy. It is constantly trying to repair, to regenerate, to protect, to keep your heart beating, your blood flowing, your brain thinking, your cells working every single day. The choices you make at breakfast, lunch, dinner can influence your long-term health. Will turmeric or cinnamon cure disease? No. No single food can do that. But together with an overall healthy lifestyle, these spices may support your body's natural protective systems and contribute to better health over time. So start today. Open your spice cabinet. Look at those simple ingredients with new eyes. Sometimes the most powerful health habits begin with the smallest changes. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments. Which of these 2 spices do you already use every day? And if you found this information helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more science-based nutrition content, and share this with someone who wants to support their health naturally. Until next time, take care of your body, protect your cells, and make every meal an opportunity to invest in your health.